I am Mynahalli Muralidhara, service head at Phillips Machine Tool. We understand that in today's fast-paced environment, keeping your machine running smoothly is essential for business growth. At the same time, investing in high-quality equipment is a significant decision, and we are here to support you at every step of this journey. That's why we offer the Haas Extended Warranty, designed to provide you with peace of mind as you make this important investment. This extended warranty is available for a variety of Haas products, including CNC machines, rotaries, and bar feeders. From the moment you start using your Haas equipment, you are covered a comprehensive 1-year warranty that includes the entire machine and CNC control. What sets this warranty apart is that it covers 365 days of 24 hours use. Unlike other manufacturers who may limit coverage to 8-hour shift, Haas ensures you are protected no matter how intensively you use your machine. Now, when we offer the Haas Extended Warranty, it's more than just added protection. It's a reflection of the confidence we have in the quality and durability of our machine. This warranty strengthens trust, showing that we are committed to support you for the long term. It creates a sense of partnership. You are not just buying a machine, you are entering into a relationship where we continue to care for your needs, even after the initial purchase. Let's experience the benefit of Haas Extended Warranty. It gives you an extra protection beyond the standard warranty. You can purchase this extended warranty at any time before your original warranty expires, so there is no gap in your protection. It covers defects in materials and workmanship and includes all parts and labor costs. So, if an issue arises, you are fully covered. And if you ever need replacement parts, rest assured they are handled efficiently. If parts are not available locally, they are shipped out the same day 99.5% of the time. Offering this extended warranty also keeps communication open, ensures there is no confusion over repair cost, and allows us to introduce you to upgrade or additional service that further increases your machine productivity and further strengthen relationship. In summary, the Haas Extended Warranty is designed to help you maximize the value of your machine, providing additional reliability and peace of mind for another year. For full details on the warranty, be sure to check your machine manual. And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, we are here to help.